Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing either an iPhone 5C running iOS 7 or an iPhone 6S running iOS 9, which I'll just go ahead and show you the listings right here, the screenshots of them. And yes, I do know that these types of sellers do often get their phones from other countries for really cheap and hike the prices, as I'm aware of that now. Go ahead and I will start the unboxing, and I have already torn off the shipping label because I do not want to dox myself, nor the seller. Okay, it appears I need to do some more cutting. And there it goes, partially opening, so all right, there we go. Yes, it is both of these phones actually, as I know a seller has a tendency to bundle shipping, so let's go ahead and set these phones aside, and yep, I'm good. So first up, let's go ahead and let's do the iPhone 5C and iOS 7. There we go, there is the iPhone 5C, so, as you can tell, it is already loading. As you can tell, it runs iOS 7.1.1, and if I lower the brightness extremely, as you can tell, it's 16 GB, and it looks like it came from Japan. So now let's just test out something really quickly. So let's just, first of all, let's check to make sure there's no iCloud. Yes, there is none. Nope, none of that. Now let's go ahead and see if this because a lot of Japanese iPhones still have the shutter sound. Even on iOS 7, I'll go ahead and test that right now. Yeah, it still has that, which regular iPhones on iOS 7 don't. So that is pretty cool. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the real star of the show, an iPhone 6S and iOS 9, which is infamously hard to activate, as even the seller let me know. So we'll probably jailbreak this and delete setup.app, or else I might back up the activation tickets. Figure something out, since I know Legacy iOS Kit lets you back up activation tickets, but I haven't had a good experience with Legacy iOS Kit, so I'll just have to see what I do. All right, and there we go. Now let's power this phone on. All right, as you can tell, it is booting up. So while we're waiting for it to boot up, let's go ahead and let's change a few things on this iPhone 5C, like for example, the battery percentage. Let's turn that on. There we go. All right, and this is iOS 9 on an iPhone 6S. Wow, this is truly incredible. Like, I can't believe I'm holding. I've never actually used Night Shift on iOS 9 before. Because back when I've only used iOS 9 on A5 devices, so it's been a first great experience with iOS 9. And as you can tell, it runs iOS 9 at 3 and is unfortunately a 16 GB variant. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wallpapers. Oh yeah, baby. It sounded weird, but all right, safe to say this is going to be our wallpaper. And stills right here. Oh man, these wallpapers are also awesome. And then the dynamics. And check if there's iCloud. No, there is no iCloud. No iTunes or App Store. Alright, so that is going to wrap up my video of the unboxing, of my unboxing of these two phones. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.